What do you eat for breakfast? What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and toast. I eat eggs and toast.
Do you drink coffee every day? Do you drink coffee every day?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
I like cereal in the morning. I like cereal in the morning.
Cereal is easy to make. Cereal is easy to make.
What is a healthy breakfast? What is a healthy breakfast?
Fruits, eggs, and milk. Fruits, eggs, and milk.
Do you eat rice for breakfast? Do you eat rice for breakfast?
Sometimes but not always. Sometimes but not always.
I don't like heavy breakfast. I don't like heavy breakfast.
Me neither, I like light food. Me neither, I like light food.
What do you eat on weekends? What do you eat on weekends?
I eat pancakes on Sundays. I eat pancakes on Sundays.
Do you like spicy food in the morning? Do you like spicy food in the morning?
No, I like sweet food. No, I like sweet food.
How do you make good tea? How do you make good tea?
Just boil water and add tea leaves. Just boil water and add tea leaves.
Do you eat breakfast alone? Do you eat breakfast alone?
No, I eat with my family. No, I eat with my family.
This pancake is tasty. This pancake is tasty.
Yes, it's really good. Yes, it's really good.
The eggs are too salty. The eggs are too salty.
Oops, I added too much salt. Oops, I added too much salt.
This coffee is strong. This coffee is strong.
Do you want more milk? Do you want more milk?
I love this smoothie. I love this smoothie.
Yes, it's very fresh. Yes, it's very fresh.
Do you like peanut butter? Do you like peanut butter?
Yes, I eat it with toast. Yes, I eat it with toast.
Try this omelet. Try this omelet.
Wow, it's delicious. Wow, it's delicious.
This bread is too hard. This bread is too hard.
Let's toast a new one. Let's toast a new one.
Do you need more sugar? Do you need more sugar?
No, it's sweet enough. No, it's sweet enough.
I like tea better than coffee. I like tea better than coffee.
I like both. I like both.
What's your favorite juice? What's your favorite juice?
I love orange juice. I love orange juice.
Do you want sugar in your tea? Do you want sugar in your tea?
No, I like it plain. No, I like it plain.
Should I toast the bread? Should I toast the bread?
Yes, make it crispy. Yes, make it crispy.
Let's make a sandwich. Let's make a sandwich.
Good idea. I love sandwiches. Good idea. I love sandwiches.
Is the butter in the fridge? Is the butter in the fridge?
Yes, take it out. Yes, take it out.
How do you cook oatmeal? How do you cook oatmeal?
Just boil it with milk. Just boil it with milk.
Can you pour me some juice? Can you pour me some juice?
Here you go. Here you go.
Do you want honey on your toast? Do you want honey on your toast?
Yes, I love honey. Yes, I love honey.
Is breakfast ready? Is breakfast ready?
Almost. Just one more minute. Almost. Just one more minute.
Let's eat together. Let's eat together.
Yes, breakfast is better together. Yes, breakfast is better together.
I like crispy toast. I like crispy toast.
Me too. Me too.
Can I have some more pancakes? Can I have some more pancakes?
Sure, take another one. Sure, take another one.
Do you want more milk? Do you want more milk?
Yes, just a little. Yes, just a little.
Breakfast is my favorite meal. Breakfast is my favorite meal.
Me too, it makes me happy. Me too, it makes me happy.
Let's eat outside today. Let's eat outside today.
Good idea, the weather is nice. Good idea, the weather is nice.
The toast is too hot. The toast is too hot.
Wait for it to cool down. Wait for it to cool down.
I don't like spicy food for breakfast. I don't like spicy food for breakfast.
Me neither. Me neither.
This jam is so sweet. This jam is so sweet.
Yes, it's made from fresh fruits. Yes, it's made from fresh fruits.
We should eat more fruits. We should eat more fruits.
Yes, they are healthy. Yes, they are healthy.
Do you like boiled eggs? Do you like boiled eggs?
Yes, I eat them every day. Yes, I eat them every day.
Can I have some yogurt? Can I have some yogurt?
Sure, here you go. Sure, here you go.
I don't like oily food for breakfast. I don't like oily food for breakfast.
Me neither, it makes me sleepy. Me neither, it makes me sleepy.
Do you eat meat for breakfast? Do you eat meat for breakfast?
No, I eat eggs instead. No, I eat eggs instead.
Do you drink milk every morning? Do you drink milk every morning?
Yes, it's good for health. Yes, it's good for health.
I love buttered toast. I love buttered toast.
Me too, with a little jam. Me too, with a little jam.
Do you eat nuts for breakfast? Do you eat nuts for breakfast?
Sometimes with my oatmeal. Sometimes with my oatmeal.
I don't like cold milk. I don't like cold milk.
You can warm it up. You can warm it up.
Do you eat fast in the morning? Do you eat fast in the morning?
No, I like to eat slowly. No, I like to eat slowly.
I skip breakfast sometimes. I skip breakfast sometimes.
That's not good. That's not good.
What's your favorite breakfast drink? What's your favorite breakfast drink?
I love fresh juice. I love fresh juice.
Breakfast gives me energy. Breakfast gives me energy.
Yes, it's the best meal of the day. Yes, it's the best meal of the day.
Let's try a new breakfast today. Let's try a new breakfast today.
Yes, let's cook something special. Yes, let's cook something special.
Can you set the table? Can you set the table?
Sure. Sure.
Let's eat breakfast outside. Let's eat breakfast outside.
Great idea. Great idea.
The bread is too old. The bread is too old.
Let's buy fresh bread. Let's buy fresh bread.
I want a big breakfast today. I want a big breakfast today.
Okay. Let's make something nice. Okay. Let's make something nice.
Let's eat early today. Let's eat early today.
Yes, that's good. Yes, that's good.
I need coffee to wake up. I need coffee to wake up.
Me too. Me too.
I forgot to buy eggs. I forgot to buy eggs.
Let's buy them later. Let's buy them later.
Do you want toast or cereal? Do you want toast or cereal?
I want toast. I want toast.
This tea is too bitter. This tea is too bitter.
Add some sugar. Add some sugar.
I'm full now. I'm full now.
Me too. Me too.
Breakfast is important. Breakfast is important.
Yes, we should never skip it. Yes, we should never skip it.
Let's clean up the table. Let's clean up the table.
Okay, I'll help. Okay, I'll help.
Do you eat the same breakfast every day? Do you eat the same breakfast every day?
No, I like to change it. No, I like to change it.
I like homemade food. I like homemade food.
Me too, it's fresh. Me too, it's fresh.
Breakfast was delicious. Breakfast was delicious.
Yes, it was. Yes, it was.
What's for breakfast tomorrow? What's for breakfast tomorrow?
Let's decide later. Let's decide later.
We should eat together every day. We should eat together every day.
Yes, it's nice. Yes, it's nice.
I love cooking breakfast. I love cooking breakfast.
Me too. Me too.
Do we have milk? Do we have milk?
Yes, it's in the fridge. Yes, it's in the fridge.
Do we have enough eggs? Do we have enough eggs?
Yes, we have plenty. Yes, we have plenty.
Can you peel the bananas? Can you peel the bananas?
Sure, I'll do it now. Sure, I'll do it now.
Let's make a fruit salad. Let's make a fruit salad.
Great idea. Great idea.
I will boil some eggs. I will boil some eggs.
Okay, don't forget to set a timer. Okay, don't forget to set a timer.
Can you slice some bread? Can you slice some bread?
Yes, I will. Yes, I will.
Where is the peanut butter? Where is the peanut butter?
It's in the cupboard. It's in the cupboard.
Do you want to add cheese? Do you want to add cheese?
Yes, I love cheese. Yes, I love cheese.
Let's bake some muffins. Let's bake some muffins.
That sounds fun. That sounds fun.
Can you bring the plates? Can you bring the plates?
Yes, here they are. Yes, here they are.
Should I cut some tomatoes? Should I cut some tomatoes?
Yes, we can add them to the omelet. Yes, we can add them to the omelet.
Do we need more salt? Do we need more salt?
No, it's enough. No, it's enough.
Where is the honey? Where is the honey?
It's on the top shelf. It's on the top shelf.
Do you like brown bread? Do you like brown bread?
Yes, it's healthy. Yes, it's healthy.
Should I make some soup? Should I make some soup?
No, let's have toast instead. No, let's have toast instead.
How do you make French toast? How do you make French toast?
Dip the bread in egg and fry it. Dip the bread in egg and fry it.
Can you pour some milk? Can you pour some milk?
Yes, here you go. Yes, here you go.
Do you want butter on your toast? Do you want butter on your toast?
Yes, just a little. Yes, just a little.
Should I add some cinnamon? Should I add some cinnamon?
Yes, that will taste good. Yes, that will taste good.
How long should I cook the eggs? How long should I cook the eggs?
About 5 minutes. About 5 minutes.
Is the toaster working? Is the toaster working?
Yes, it's working fine. Yes, it's working fine.
The pancakes are soft. The pancakes are soft.
Yes, they are perfect. Yes, they are perfect.
This tea is too hot. This tea is too hot.
Blow on it before drinking. Blow on it before drinking.
I love this fresh juice. I love this fresh juice.
Yes, it's very refreshing. Yes, it's very refreshing.
Can I have some more toast? Can I have some more toast?
Sure, take another piece. Sure, take another piece.
The omelet is tasty. The omelet is tasty.
I'm glad you like it. I'm glad you like it.
Do you want more honey? Do you want more honey?
No, it's sweet enough. No, it's sweet enough.
The coffee smells good. The coffee smells good.
Yes, it's freshly brewed. Yes, it's freshly brewed.
This bread is so soft. This bread is so soft.
Yes, it's fresh from the bakery. Yes, it's fresh from the bakery.
I need more milk in my cereal. I need more milk in my cereal.
Here, pour some more. Here, pour some more.
The toast is too crunchy. The toast is too crunchy.
That's how I like it. That's how I like it.